Hello viewers, welcome to the Tech Short Weekly. You probably wondering how we got here. Tech Short Weekly is the new show that is dedicated to week's biggest tech news story. So keep watching Tech Shorts. What we got in the week is the first thing that we want to talk about is Infinix Smart 4 Plus first look is revealed. The next in the list is Samsung Galaxy M01 is also announced. And the last but not the least, Reliance launches its Zeo Glass in India. Today we are going to talk about Infinix Smart 4 Plus. So stay tuned and keep watching. This particular smartphone is going to be available on Flipkart and the date will be 25th July. If we talk about the specification, it comes with the biggest screen, so it is a water drop notch display selfie camera and seems to be relatively thick bezel around the phone. There are not much information about it this point of time, but yeah, it's going to be launched a little more than a month since it announced Galaxy M01 and M11. Samsung is adding yet another model into the Galaxy M lineup. The company today announces the Galaxy M01, an entry-level phone aimed to be consumer in India. You might think that M01 is meant to replace the similarity named M01, but the Samsung plans to sell the two phones alongside one another despite their relatively small differences. The highlight of the device is 6.2-inch HD Plus display that features one of the Samsung's Infinity V camera cutouts. Despite some chin bezel, the phone has a decent screen-to-body ratio of 81.8%. Internally, the phone includes the MediaTek octa-core Helio P22 processor supported by 3GB of RAM. The 12nm chipset is less powerful than the Snapdragon 439 processor that is alongside the Galaxy M01. For taking pictures, M01 comes with a dual rear camera array consisting of 13MP primary sensor and 2MP depth sensor. Meanwhile, the selfies of the phone features 8MP camera, making the slight upgrade to the M01's 5MP front camera. Rounding out the spec sheet is 4000 mAh battery that comes without fast charging support. There is no USB-C port to be found on the device, but it does come with the rear-facing fingerprint sensor. For software, the phone is shipped with Samsung One UI Core and Android 9. The company plans to sell Galaxy M01s in a single configuration with 32GB of internal storage. You will be able to go to 512GB of additional space through a micro SD card. The Galaxy M01s will come up in two colors, grey and light blue. The cost is going to be around 9,999 rupees, making it 1,000 rupees more expensive than the M01. Zeo Glass is mixed reality based holographic lens system that enables user to perform various tasks such as host conferences call, share and view presentation, and hold discussion among other things. Design-wise, Zeo Glass comes with a plastic frame that has a camera in front between the two lenses. The device weighs just 75 grams and it comes with a cable that can be attached to the company's new launched MR glasses, a smartphone for providing internet connectivity. Talk about a feature, Zeo Glass comes with a personalized audio system and a company says that can support all standard audio formats. It also supports HD quality video. At the moment, it supports 25 apps. Apart from the everyday work, Zeo Glass can also be used for conducting virtual classes that will be held over Zeo MR Cloud. Zeo Glass is making teachers and students come together in 3D virtual rooms and conduct holographic classes through a Zeo Mixed Reality Cloud in real time. Now comes to the pricing. Zeo hasn't revealed the pricing or the availability of the Zeo Glass yet, but we also don't know anything about its battery capacity. It is expected that we get more details about Zeo Glass when it's ready for the wider public rollout. If you like the quick technology updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post amazing tech news. Thank you for watching Tech Shorts.